What do you say today we talk about two of the most innovative companies here in the state? One of them, Consumers Energy, the other one, Domino's Pizza. And specifically the Power My Fleet program with Consumers Energy and how you use it to deliver pizza.
Consumers Energy is committed to powering Michigan's electric vehicle transformation. And what we've come to see over the last few years is that it really takes all shapes and sizes.
I own and operate 30 stores from Mount Pleasant to Lansing to Grand Rapids. One of the big initiatives for Domino's corporate is to obviously reduce our carbon footprint because I had a large fleet of gas delivery vehicles anyway.
Most people think about electric vehicles when it comes to the car that's in your driveway, or increasingly now we're seeing pickup trucks and different makes and models. But there are businesses across our state that have a lot of vehicles and who want to make the commitment. And so Power My Fleet is really that solution.
Domino's Pizza, the corporation, is really an incredible organization. We've always led the industry. We're the ones that, really leaned into technology very first and foremost 20 years ago with online ordering.
We talk about there being 1 million electric vehicles on the roads in Michigan by 2030, just Consumers Energy share alone. But those EVs take all different shapes and sizes. So again, we're thinking about that car that's in your garage or in your driveway. We're thinking about Domino's Pizza, but we're also working with school districts. We actually are working with 11 school districts today to help them get electric school buses. We're working with the city of Grand Rapids to get them an electric street sweeper. Now that's an electric vehicle that not most folks are ever going to drive and probably don't think about. But again, you can reduce the use of diesel or gasoline and replace it with cleaner electricity.
I am actively trying to add more chargers at more locations so I can swap out. But it's a math problem if you really want to get down to it. Like as the price of gas goes up, the cost per mile to operate a gas car continues to go up, plus the reduced cost to operate. It's a no-brainer.
This has been a fun ride. Electric vehicle sales are growing fast, but there's still a novelty. They're still unknown to most people. And so when you make that decision, again, whether it's for your home or for your business, you're trying to understand the mechanics of it. How do I power my vehicle? What do I do? So we at Consumers Energy can take some of the guesswork out of it and really take away the mystery, help you identify what your needs are, and help you get to that solution.
We knew there were, programs out there to help us be able to add the infrastructure for the chargers. And once we got the right contact to consumers, it was smooth, super smooth.
So we talk about Domino's Pizza being a leader here. They really are. They and other businesses that are making these commitments right now, they're setting an example. They're setting the model for so many other businesses across the state.
As Brian and I entered Eric's store, I just had to ask, what was Brian's favorite pizza topping?
This is controversial. I'm great with a Hawaiian pizza. Some pineapple and ham, and I'm a happy guy.
And then I wanted to know, from someone who owns 30 Domino's stores, what's Eric's favorite part of the job?
Without a doubt, my favorite part of the job is to deliver pizzas.
And with that answer, you know what we have to do. Let's go deliver some pizzas. I didn't ask you this in the interview, but I asked Brian, so it's unfair for me not to. What is on your pizza? You've been doing this for 29 years. What is if you're only picking one pizza, what is it?
Really want to get into my Scandinavian roots. I'll do a thin crust with pepperoni, onions, and anchovies. That's a real delicacy right there.
And just like that, I've delivered my very first Domino's pizza. Thank you, dude.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too, brother.
So we delivered a pizza, and we end the video by eating one.